That was a little fucking weird. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, these shits, I like looked it up and it's not right, apparently.
Hey. It's okay.
On jaw, it's not right.
White boys, gotta love them. Gotta love them.
What's unique?
What's that?
Unique. Oh, she got a Jesus cross on. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. The fuck? Oh, girl. Like these white people. It's like when white people see a black person, they just jump at the opportunity to say the first thing black that they remember hearing. Oh, I was watching Tyler Perry. Was it Hallelujah? Like the fuck? What's up, my dog? Like, white folks they jump at the opportunity. When they meet a black person, they have to say the first black thing that comes to fucking mind. Chicken. Oh shit, you heard that? Listen, I'm not a big bitch. I was not talking about chicken because I'm hungry.
Chicken.
Oh my god. Any fucking way. Shut your peanut bitter brisket back ass up, big forehead motherfucker over there looking like two black rhinos. Keep it cute on the fucking couch. Some of y'all watching me with y'all phone propped up on something, and I just want to let you know I see you, bitch.
What the fuck? Is this a nigga?
It's not interested in you. Shit, you ugly fuck. I don't want you. Why do you know what? Because at this point it's fucking personal. Why do niggas feel like
Hey.
your foot is tooted up like a $2 hoe?
Hey. Alright, so tell me who looks better, me or this guy?
Neither. Oh, shit. Fuck. Thank you, but oh, shut up. He is so fine. Ask some time. Stop punching your face. I say, niggas ain't stupid. I can see a future with him. I just see him fucking me every day. I see me waking up to walking in the kitchen and he's cooking. Oh my God, that was my nigga. Do you not see me thinking about my fucking nigga? Matt, mind your fucking business. You want just because you're a fucking loser, I'm not gonna be like you. I have a man. That was my nigga. I'm going to be with him.
Oh shit. Alright.
He's so fine. Oh my God, I'm in love.
Yo, Saturday to the boys, right?
I'm in love. Oh my God. He was everything. I needed, like, oh my God, I just want to wake up to him every fucking day. I think I would eat his ass, honestly, truthfully. When a nigga looks that good, you can slip. I have a question. Now, I'm not going to incriminate myself. I have a genuine question. Would y'all eat y'all nigga ass? Now, tell the fucking truth. Tell the hoe. What your big ass want? What you want, big'em? You big baby fucking bear.
Oh, and you famous.
I am, and you fat as fuck. Stop talking to me. Leave me alone. Yeah, you got a big dick. You got a big dick. Oh, no. Love. Your dick is not big. The diabetes running through your fucking bloodstream is what's big, love. It's not the dick. I bet money. I bet $150. I'll send you $150 right now. I bet your dick ain't bigger than 5 inches. No, you talking to a wealthy bitch. I put a band on it too. You're wealthy and you look like, look at your beard. It's giving $22. It's giving $22 from the beard. The beard is giving me $22 in the pocket right now.
Hey, I don't even gotta come back after that one. That was a good one. That was a good one. They ain't even gonna fly.
Yo, got that ass. Anyways, what's up?
Hey, that's crazy, though. Hey, you funny, though, in real life, though.
I appreciate you. I appreciate it.
Hey, that's crazy. I bet somebody famous, y'all.
Oh, but I wasn't done. I saw a bad wig. Who's sitting next to you?
You saw a bad... Oh,
I was gonna let it go. But I can't, love.
She saw a bad wig.
I saw a bad wig peep in the corner of the phone. I need to see. Don't hide now, sis. Don't hide now, sis.
Wait. Yes. Oh, no, she said she's gonna get your ass.
She's probably a pretty girl, but I saw the wig, love. I know you know the fucking wig is bad. She has a hat on in the fucking house. Shit, the wig has to not be secured. The hat is what's keeping it on her fucking head. One gust of wind and she's looking like you. One gust of wind and she's looking like you. Y'all have a wonderful night. Lay off of the chicken. Thank you so much. Then again, his own fucking world. I ain't mad at him. Hey, listen, you can't say that you watch another live funny than mine. I'm going to say that until the day I die, bitch. You can't say you get it anywhere else. You can't. The girls be in here crying. Who got real tears in their eyes? Like, tell the truth. Who's had a real tear come out one of their eyes tonight? Like, don't even count with me. Don't count with me. Who in here that had a real tear roll down their face? Like, you just dead, like, weak. Where y'all at? What a real dead folks said. I know your big ass ain't in that damn kitchen eating shrimp out the bag. That nigga done snuck in the fucking kitchen. Eating the fucking shrimp. Oh, fuck.
What's up, dude? Where you from?
I'm from Alabama, but I stay in Georgia.
I'm on this.
Ask some time. Like, why you just sitting there?
I'm from Atlanta.
You from where?
Atlanta.
I said, you trying to be my new little nigga or something?
What you mean?
I said, you trying to be my new little nigga or something?
Yeah, what's going on?
How tall are you? Where your girlfriend is?
I'm 5'11". I don't got no girlfriend.
You talk like your dick big.
I'm solo dolo.
You got a car?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you just push up on me and put your dick in my mouth?
I said, what's going on?
I mean, what's up with you?
You talking reckless.
But shut up. You always... What's your name, first of all?
My name's Junior.
Junior? Oh, yeah, you a hood nigga. You got in trouble in school?
That's me all these ugly ass questions.
Ugly ass questions. Boy, guys, don't do too much. Don't do too motherfucking much. Girl, he was a child, girl. The bed needs oil. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. Hello. 5'11" is decent. I guess that's all right. I don't know.
What's up, cuz?
What's up? It's Buzz. It's blood over here.
Nah, it's cuz.
Nah, hold on. It's Big B's over here beating me. What's up? Brett, Slick, Slime, Ali. I'm posted on 250 bleeding. Oh, wow. Wow. Woo. Woo. All right, kids, we got to go. We've got to go, kids. We'll be back. Stick around for a word from our sponsors.
Whoa! But can I see a necklace? Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie. You look like a fucking dude.
I am. My pussy so fat.
Yo, Shay, what's good?
What's that?
We gonna let me fuck. You better not have me on your Instagram neither.
Don't play with me, little boy. Fuck! Bitch, I almost killed myself.
I bet you did.
Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, damn. I wish I almost killed myself for real, girl. Went down the wrong damn pipe. Let me see if I can get a song stuck in y'all head. Y'all gonna be singing it all night long. Let me think. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my way? But first off, I'ma stop by saying this. Hey, I'm fantastic. You can take my lead.
You know the first 22, bro.
So it's like, this is what it feels like. This is what it feels like. Famous.
Yo,
Kind of.
publicity for me.
No. This is what it
You mean
feels
no?
like. Wow.
Suck my dick.
This is crazy. Because he just looked over at her as if they were just casually watching a YouTube video of me. Like, they're just, like, this the one. Remember, like, we were like, wow.
Hello?
Turn around and die. Turn
Wait,
around
listen to the
and...
song. This shit better than that.
Okay, add some time.
Hey, yeah. Let's start this shit back to the phone. Start this shit back to my phone. So the baby like the baby loves. I'm mixing my hand in my lungs. And it's so thick with me gone. I'm flying, I'm shopping, I'm out of the lawn. I'm rocking in Louis and Bass and friends. So tell me, baby, what you really be gone? Let's start this shit back to the phone. She steady to calling my phone. So the baby like the baby long. I'm mixing my hand in my lungs. Yeah, it's so thick with me gone. I'm flying, I'm booking the flights up and gone. So they got problems, I'm rocking in Louis and Bass and friends. So tell me, baby, what you want? I grew up too fast, I didn't have fast. I still on the board, go taste the bag. Hey, I'm out in the streets with rags. Can't go my face. I think it's sad. Growing up there and not having a dad. Growing up there and not having a home. Feel like your heart is just empty alone. Feeling like
Add some time.
She gon' trust it if I say so.
Pause that. Pause that.
Yeah.
Pause that, nigga.
What you said?
Where do you make music?
I do.
Where can I find your music?
I really ain't post nothing yet. Like, I'm just not, like, I've been able to rap, I've been able to make music, I just never tried to post something, you know what I'm saying?
You sound so great. Like, that, now listen, no, because you don't know who you're talking to. A lot of rappers, a lot of people try to get me to help their music out and stuff like that, and they sound fucking ass. But you sound like you've been rapping forever, like...
I've been really freestyling since I was little, but I never really, like, put effort into it, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody always told me, like, hey, bro, you really got a talent. You got a gift. You need to follow that, bro. And I'm just like, nah, I don't got it.
Do you have any followers on Instagram?
I got 22K.
Okay, we're going to see if we can get you to, like, 23K. Okay, so add some time.
No, I got 25K, or 24.1.
24.1? Okay, we're going to hit,
Yeah.
we're going to hit 25 tonight.
You capping.
Say your Instagram name out loud.
SIMPLYAXELL.
Say
Sim Jackson.
Say it one more time.
SIMPLYAXELL.
Okay, now one more time for the slow bitches in the back. Just say it one more time.
SIMPLYAXELL.
Okay, I don't do this for everybody, but I actually like. You sound good. Like I would learn the lyrics to that song. Shout out to the best of the phone. That's me.
Yeah.
Now go.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna catch you. I've been making music for like since I was little, man. All my dream was is just to make it out where I was at in my position. You get
Where
what I'm
you
saying?
from?
I'm just trying to do something with myself. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Baton Rouge.
Yeah.
That state has a lot of good rappers.
Yeah.
But go check your Instagram though, cause they about to blow your stuff up.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Now y'all can't say Shay don't give back. I ain't stingy now. That boy is lit. And I want him to make a song. Who ain't here know him and can help him, bitch? Make him famous. Shout out she back to the phone. I want to hear that song. I want to play that song. Shout out she back to the phone. Yeah, and he got that little weird little style. A lot of people will like him.
You're fucking beautiful. You're fucking ugly as shit.
Yeah.
You know what makes it more hurtful? Is I actually believed it was a compliment.
That's Weluvche.
Period. Yeah, good pussy over here. You knew that.
Hey,
Get into
I
it.
follow you on Instagram like that.
Thank you, sir.
There you go. But you pretty, bro. For real.
Thank you. He got 25.5. Our impact. See, Weluvche gives back. Now y'all go help that boy figure out how he gonna get some. I want that song made. I want to listen to it. Shay gives back. Y'all can't say Shay gives back, okay? One thing y'all gonna learn about me is I respect real talent.
You fucking man.
I will beat your ass with a leather belt dipped in water. Shut up. Only thing I respect is real talent. I'm one of them people. I don't know. People out here talented as fuck, but ain't got no followers. So like people think because they ain't got no followers, they ain't talented. What the fuck are you looking at, Chester cheek ass motherfucker? What's up?
You wanna get your fat ass?
No, because you don't want it. You don't want it. I want you. It's a fucking bed. Put your face in the camera. Put your face in the camera, Malcolm. Put your fucking face in the camera, Malcolm. Take your granddaddy fucking sandals off and put your face in the fucking camera, Malcolm. Yeah. Let me get into your strong shoulder ass. You freedom marching looking motherfucker. Shut up. You bushy, nasty, cow walking, piss looking nigga. Shut the fuck up. And you look like a gay tiger. You look like a gay fucking tiger. You orange fuck. Yeah, keep it cute. Anyways. But yeah, I respect real talent. So if you ever come across me, I don't care about your followers, your page, your name. If you ain't got no real talent, I don't care. I don't mind putting people on to real talent. That boy was talented. It's something about him. Something about that little boy that was really, really, really talented.
What's up, sir?
What's up?
How old are you?
Ugly ass face. Hey, you thought you had a friend. Shut up.
Yep.
You're huge.
My dick is huge.
Let's not go there.
Nope.
Shawty, I'm back to the phone. Oh, that song is in my head now. I'm 18, did it all on my own.
What's that?
That's a stud. You're so cute! Oh! Period! You are so pretty. Would've got some people on here, not me, bitch. My gaydar is vicious. I know a stud when I see one.
Prescription.
Now this one I'm confused on. This one got me. This one, I don't know what the fuck. No, if it was a fruit fly, I don't know what the fuck it is.
Hey.
What's that?
Look like you got your nipples fixed.
My nipples is not pierced. My titties just big as fuck though.
Let me see.
What you wanna see for? What you wanna see my titties for? You must
I'm just gonna sneak peek and see. Come on.
You said what?
Sneak peek.
A sneak peek. What I'm gonna see though?
You said what?
I said what I'm gonna see.
Whatever you want to see.
I wanna see your face. Turn the light on, and I'll show you.
It's a turn light. That's a whole stretch.
Oh, what again? Okay, it's cute.
Damn. Where you from?
Oh, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Mhm.
From Maryland.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. You got Snap? You capping?
I am.
You say you are? How old are you?
13.
Oh, you capped before.
Cause you might be ugly.
I might be ugly. That's hard.
Niggas be so thirsty. Maybe I should have my titty halfway out. Let's see if they... Ooh, bitch, not too much, girl. We on live. There's a lot of people watching, Shay. Not too much. Not too much. Now, you can't let them all see the goods. Just tip the titty up a little bit. Don't give them too much, but just give them enough to know it's there. See how the niggas feel about this. You know, y'all, in real life, niggas love my motherfucking food. What the fuck is that? Kill it. Kill it.
Like a predator.
Stomp on it.
God.
No, there's a big ass mosquito. He's worried about the wrong thing. There's a fucking 6'2" mosquito.
I'm just playing.
Oh, the uglies. The uglies. But anyways, you know, in real life, niggas love sucking on my titties, y'all. I've had a lot of niggas just lean over and just suck at That nigga is high as a bitch. Let's go to LGBT and talk to some of my sisters, my girls, my girlies. Cause Shay love the gays. Don't get me wrong. I love my female supporters. I love my straight male supporters. But I love my gays, honey. Shay loves his gays, honey. All my gay boys in here watching, what's T? I'm not one of the conceited ones with followers, girl. I'm down to earth. What's T? What's T? If you in here, you a gay boy or gay male, top, bottom, verse, whatever. What's motherfucking poppin', bitch? Yeah. Yeah, where my gays at? Can the gays represent with the rainbows? Can my gays represent?
Yeah, I'm trying to see some tips right now.
What's up, then?
Mom?
What's up?
What's up?
Add some time.
Some nice shit.
So you trying to see it for real?
Yeah, that is.
You must think I'm cute or something.
You are cute.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
A 10.
Thank you.
What the fuck? It's right there.
This energy.
That's the energy.
This the energy. So what's up? What we about to do?
Huh?
I said, what we about to do, Daddy?
Whatever you want to do.
Oh. I think I want to take a walk over to PayPal.
Oh, what?
I want to take a walk over to PayPal. You coming with me?
Yeah.
Follow me.
I'll tell you.
I'm going to text you. My gays are in the building. My gays are in the building. Oh, word. Oh, my gays are here? They're here. My babies. My older gays and my younger gays, they're here. We're here. They're here. Girl, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Hold on, let me pause. Let me tell y'all something about gays. It's hard to get loyal gay supporters because gays are shady. It's very rare that you'll find another gay that'll openly say that they fuck with another gay boy, because a lot of gays just be messy and too conceited, and every gay think they Beyonce with Michelle resumes. No shade to Miss Michelle, she's successful in her own way, but it really like makes me smile to see. I mean, you know, black girls love everybody. I mean, they don't love everybody, you know, they only love you if you're really funny. But you know what I'm saying. But when gays say that they fuck with me, that actually like. That makes me smile because it's like, it's rare. Gays are so mean and so feisty. So I really do appreciate all the gay boys in here. I fucks with y'all.
Yo, follow me.
Why would I follow you and I can't see your fucking face?
I'm sorry, can you just follow me?
No, like, are you Drika? No, like, you mad dumb, my nigga? I can't fucking see you. Fuck you. Nigga, suck a dick. Suck my dick, nigga. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. What's good, my nigga? What you doing?
I got scratches. Talking to you.
Yo, Deadass, you look like you got some good dick. I'm not gonna hold you.
No.
You know, I can't do it now with a white boy. Sorry. I tried it. I don't think it's for me. I've sucked one white dick in my life, y'all. One. Terrible. Little. Balls was big as fuck, though. I can't suck another white dick, love. I'm sorry.
Sam, how you doing?
He look like his dick big as shit.
You're gonna say. Hey, how old you?
Where your face at? You sound a little hefty. Put your face in the camera.
Hey, shut your gay ass up.
Nigga, I'll beat your ass. Stop playing with me. I'll fuck you in your ass, little nigga. Don't play with me. You don't need to feel stupid, friend. I'm still pretty.
No. I'm trying to make you do that too. I seen your video,
Your friend got caught. Damn, you should have told your friend. Now he got here looking stupid. It's okay, though. It's okay, though.
Yo, I swear I seen you yesterday, yo.
Where?
On here. I swear to God, I seen you there.
Well, okay, let's talk to some bitches. Let's get some of the girls' life advice. What life advice there? Let's chat with some of the girls. We can put the titties up for this.
Papa Chicken.
Do you see how fat the rim on your hat is?
Papa Titty.
You think I would pop a titty for someone with a hat that fucking fat?
You look like a gorilla. I don't want to hear
Shut the fuck up. I will fuck you like a gorilla. That's what it is. You got it fucked up.
Hey, you trying to be on some sad shit with me?
Mm-hmm.
Cause like, I miss my ex like really fucking bad right now.
I can help you forget about that bitch.
I won't forget about her.
You weak ass nigga. Oh fuck, that shit is not cute to me. Niggas that be emotional on purpose, that shit is so unattractive. Like, boy, shut your punk crying ass up.
Hey, let me see your titty.
What?
Huh? I had some.
I had to pray. I had to pray. I had to pray. Corbin, you have let yourself go.
How you doing? Beautiful, you know, baby mom. Take you to Benny Hunter.
Well, no, it wasn't giving baby mother. What's that?
Nothing much. How you doing?
My pussy is so fat, it's annoying.
Huh?
My pussy is so fat, it's annoying.
Huh? Sorry to hear that.
I know, hoes be mad.
Uh-huh.
Let me see your wave check. Where your waves at?
Hold on. I got you right now.
Okay, period. Let me see. got the fuck. I'm ready to get the fuck.
Yo, what's up?
ASAP.
Look, you got games on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, you.
Oh, bitch, he stood up and got the fuck out of me.
Hey, oh my. No, it's not you. Hey.
What's up?
What's poppin'?
Good motherfucking pussy. That's what's popping. Yeah.
Really good.
You know that, girl. You know I love my babies. You know I love my babies. Period.
What's up?
I will. Fuck, I tried. I couldn't hold a straight face.
That was so good.
What's that? Do you not hear me fucking singing? Why you fucking interrupting me? Here you go, being goofy. Being a fucking cornball. Why you interrupting me? Shut the fuck up. No, fuck you, nigga.
I wanted to tell you.
People keep talking. They can say what they like. But all I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one.
Oh my God, that's she.
Fucking God, first of all, if you're gonna yeah, because let me get you together. First of all, what it is gonna be is if you see me singing off rip, don't interrupt me. Second of all, if you're going to interrupt me, at least say my fucking name right. It's not she. I don't know who the fuck she is. It's We Love Shay Love. So this interaction might it's cute. It's cute. Well, go back to the fucking live, and they're gonna drag you in the comments for what I see. Thank you so much. No one can get in the way of what I feel for you. I want to know what the fuck is so damn funny. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Is that an ant? Oh my. When the rain is pouring down.
Oh my God, this fat nigger. Oh my God.
Oh, I'm about to drag these bitches to hell. Girl, what's tea?
Come on.
First of all, let me get the bitch over here. No, bitch, no, let me tell you something. You black pussy lip having ass bitch. You ran around town ass, nasty ass, fucking fuck ass. So, bitch, you know I'm prettier than you could ever motherfucking be. Bitch, as a nigga, I'm prettier than you could ever motherfucking. I pull my niggas than you ever could motherfucking get. You nasty ass, funky, sloppy ass motherfucker. Shut the fuck up. You eat spam out the can. Look at your fucking hair. Look at your fucking hair. You can fucking never. You're 2 centimeters away from your fucking. You're 2 centimeters away from your fucking ceiling, and it's for the bitch over here in the motherfucking black. You're lucky to stand the fucking black love. You know good damn well you look like a fucking gorilla. You shut the fuck up, you nasty ass Zambican tree frog. And y'all bitches got the fucking nerve to come for a pretty bitch like me. Oh, you bitches can fucking never. You can never sit with me. Dumb and dumber, big goofy and goofy. You big nasty fucking envelope. You bitches look like 2 big fucking elephants over here on this goddamn air trying to fight. Oh, and you're ugly. It's always the ugly bitches that look like. Do you see your fucking face? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at your fucking sumo fucking wrestler. That's the best thing you can fucking come up with. And you look like a fucking alligator with fucking glasses. I've never seen a blind alligator before a day in my motherfucking life. You're ugly. And you're gonna have to live with that fucking life. You insecure bitch. You're the bitch that makes the fake Twitter accounts and talks about all the pretty girls in high school, aren't you? You're the girl behind the fake accounts that make fun of the pretty girls like me, aren't you? You look at your fucking hands. You have nigga hands. You have little black fat boy hands, and you're a fucking girl. I would be mad too. I would be angry too if I had little fat black boy hands and I was a fucking female. You look a fucking mess. You look like a pregnant zebra with glasses on. And that's for your friend over here in the fucking dark. Bitch, you're not safe either. I'll drag you up and down your fucking neighborhood, hoe. You can never sit with a pretty bitch like me. Shut the fuck up. I wasn't talking to you, love. You're ugly. You're less than. When a 10 is talking, you need to shut the fuck up. You're a 2. You don't have access to a conversation with me yet. You haven't unlocked that yet. And as for your silhouette over here that's popping her motherfucking gums without putting her face in the camera, you're a smart girl. You didn't let me see your face. See, you let me see your face. Your friends are going to tell you that you ran into me tomorrow when they see you on my motherfucking live. But it's ugly. I don't know. Ugly, I don't know her. Ugly, I don't know. I've never sat with her, love. I don't know Ugly. Me and Ugly never went to school together. No, you know motherfucking Ugly, bitch. You sleeping in every. No, because no, I have a question. What does it feel like to sleep in your motherfucking bed and have ants crawl over you all motherfucking night long? That's why you wear hoodies, because you have ant bites all up and down your fucking arms. You wear hoodies to school, knowing good and damn motherfucking well that if you ever went to school with a t-shirt on, that them kids, that school will call defects on your mama because you may have fire ants crawling in your motherfucking bed all motherfucking night. She's so dusty ass up, nasty ass. I would hate. You know what, bitch? Keep fucking playing with me, cause see, I'm gonna come up in your house and I'm gonna poke that air mattress that you sleep in. Keep playing with me. I'm gonna come over your house and I'm gonna pop that fucking air mattress and you're gonna be sleeping on the floor. You're 4 centimeters off the floor on that air mattress, love. Twin bed, bitch. Keep it fucking cute, love. I slept on a twin bed when I went to college. If I'm not there anymore, I've upgraded myself. What are you doing? Let me see the bed. Let me see the bed that you're in, love. I will pop your fucking air mattress. Then what you're gonna do? I'm gonna pop your air mattress and then what you're gonna do, love? What you gonna do after I pop the fucking air mattress? You're gonna roll over on the fucking floor? No, you can't shut a pretty bitch up. You're not gonna take shit up. What you need to do is take some fucking time out to go see what the fuck is wrong with your goddamn face and why the fuck you're hiding it. I feel like you're one ugly. You know what? No, because I'm not done with these motherfucking bitches. Have a one. Bitch, thick, no, the only thing, I'm thick with 2 C's. My ass is thick, love, but keep it fucking cute. I'm a pretty bitch. You can never. You know I'm pretty. You know if you ever see me in person, you'd ask for a picture, girl. Keep it fucking cute.
Are you dumb?
No, bitch, I'm pretty as fuck. You sound, you know, bitch, you sound congested. You sound, get off your back, you big bitch. Don't fucking choke. No, bitch. You look like a fucking monkey. You baby damn wild ass orangutan. You look like an orange orangutan and I ain't even ever seen your motherfucking face. You talk like a baby fucking ape. Shut up. It's always 2 ugly bitches. I know you fucking love me. I give life to ugly bitches like you, but I don't like you, baby. You lost it. No, bitch, are you fucking dumb? The reason you haven't put your face in the camera right now because you're somewhere eating up a fucking grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna let you finish eating your sandwich. I'm gonna give you about 30 more seconds to eat your sandwich, but I'm gonna need the face in the fucking camera. What's corny? What's corny is the fact that shut the fuck up because you're putting no. Your stomach hangs over your fucking clitoris. How sad is that? How fucking no, love. No, I'm not that type of girl. Not that type of girl. Sorry, love. Read 2 bitches down at one time, girl. What can't I do? What can't I do? Read 2 girls down for filth. What can't I do? What can't I do? Read 2 girls down for filth. What's that?
What up, you Nate? What's the word?
I heard my nigga fucking cheating on me, so nothing.
He probably is. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Damn, that's crazy. He look a little musty, girl. I don't even know. I don't think I want him.
Okay. Damn, what's up, Unique? You look beautiful.
Put your dick in my mouth and shut up.
What, nigga? Wait, put my dick in your mouth first time. Hold on, first time. Please stop playing. You scared the shit out of me, though. Hold on.
Wait, hey. Where you from? I'm in bed just chilling.
Shit, I'm from Alabama. Where you from?
Alabama?
Well, I'm in Alabama right now. Alabama A&M.
Oh my God, I'm in Birmingham. I'm in Birmingham.
You in Birmingham right now? What's up? Come up to Huntsville.
Follow me on here.
Alright.
You must.
Yeah, pull up on me.
You must be with your bros or something.
Yeah, we walking back to the dorms now. We was just chilling at this little one chilling spot, but yeah, we about to walk back to the dorms and shit now.
Okay. I might push up on y'all for real, but don't be capping.
Alright, that's fine.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
I'm on my way. Send me your.
She said she alright.
Send me your number.
On me this weekend. What is up? What's the move?
I don't know. I'm trying to fuck though. I'm bored.
You can't. What? That's a reach.
What you mean that's the reach? Oh, you wouldn't fuck me?
How am I supposed to believe that?
Because I'm not none of these little hoes out here. The first.
Say that again?
Because I'm not none of these little hoes out here.
I mean, what's up? I mean, you can pull up on me. I mean, I don't know how you gonna get into the campus and shit. But just tell them you're a student, I guess, and then pull up on me.
Okay.
Whatever. Alright, bro. I'll get y'all then. It's whatever, though.
Okay, then.
Where you from?
I'm from Texas, but I just moved out here.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's what's up. What you in Birmingham for? Are you in school or anything?
Huh?
Are you in school or anything?
Mm-hmm.
What school you go to?
I go to Auburn.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Hold on. I don't think I should be fucking with you no more. It's roll time right here.
Shut the fuck.
What? Dude, I'm talking to somebody that she fuck with Auburn. Oh my god.
Bye, shut up. I'm
She
so
fuck with
out.
Auburn, bro. What?
Bye, Hayes.
Bro, she said she go. She said she go to. Oh my god.
Bye, Hayes. Shit ain't even that serious. Bye, God, so out.
You tripped for Auburn though, but you still roll tide down deep down inside though.
I mean, I guess.
You fuck with Alabama. Stop.
Y'all okay or whatever.
Auburn, what is Auburn good at?
Making bitches that look good like me.
Nah, it's roll tide this way. I mean, you gotta get that through your head.
Mm-hmm. Text me on here, boys.
What grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
Oh, you are? Oh, shit. I ain't gonna disrespect you no more. Hey, go Tigers.
Period.
Junior in college.
Rar. But anyway, text me on here.
Go Tigers.
Alabama boys are my weakness. Alabama boys are my weakness, child. It's something about them boys in Alabama, girl.
What's up?
He is so adorable. You look like you lie a lot.
So, like a what?
Are you a liar?
I'm a liar?
You don't tell the truth, do you?
I didn't touch you.
Okay, how tall are you?
How tall are you? I'm 6'3".
Lying ass nigga!
I am 6'3".
Okay, stand up. Because you standing in the shower? Oh,
I just got out.
oh my. How old are you?
18.
This is a quick question. It's not related to nothing. Your dick. Do you see yourself nutting in my mouth?
No. Why you look like that?
Now, ask some more time. Now, you said no. Are you fucking blind? He was a child. That's all I'm gonna give it to. I'm gonna give it to the fact that he was a child. He didn't know any fucking better. A pretty ass bitch. What the fuck are you talking about? Every nigga wanna put their dick in me. I'm fucking. Do you see me? You see it? You fucking see it? Girl, no. He was gay. He was gay. That's what it was. It wasn't me. It was him. He doesn't like girls. He was fucking gay.
You're pretty.
The chin looked big as fuck. But hey. Ooh. You a man. No fucking shit, Sherlock. Shut your big body ass up.
What's up?
Shay, you got a boy hairline. I wonder why the fuck would Shay have a boy hairline? It couldn't be that I'm still a man. It couldn't be. It couldn't be. Couldn't be. It couldn't be that I'm a fucking man, that I have a... Y'all girls kill me.
What's up? Where you from?
He's curious. He called me back. Wait, that's the Alabama nigga. Never mind. He wants some pussy.
I wanna fuck you.
And I wanna fuck you too.
Oh, hell.
Wait, no, what? Bitch, you know you lied, dude. He wanted to fuck me.
Well, my friend just gave my dog blue balls.
I believe it.
Yeah, you wanna see it?
White people are fucking crazy. I believe
It's all sad and depressed now.
I'm calling Peter.
What? Look at this!
White children amaze me. They amaze me. I'm tempted not to. Oh my God, what the fuck is that? Is that a beetle? Kill it. No, kill it. Kill it. That's the biggest fucking beetle. That's the biggest beetle I've ever. Oh my God. Oh shit. Hey.
You look like you eat burgers.
I look like I eat, but no, you look like you need to eat a fucking burger, you hungry motherfucker. Do you see your fingers? Do you see your fingers? You can slide your fingers in a Nissan and crank that bitch up. Yeah, you better run. You better fucking run. You know what? I've had my night.
Yeah. Describe my baby.
Oh, he sound fine as fuck, girl.
Oh
my God, shit, fuck, damn it. I'm done. I'm sick and tired of being. No, I hate this shit. Good night, y'all. I had fun. I enjoyed the scones. I enjoyed the music. I enjoyed the dinner. I'm done. God, my face is every fucking where. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this spontaneous fucking live. Mamas is eating these bitches alive. These girls is not fucking with me. You don't know no bitch that's funny to me on this motherfucking live shit. None of these bitches can compete. Many bitches tried. They fucking fail. And remember to love yourself. I don't know if I make it obvious or not, but if you're a new follower, I don't get on here just to go viral and get views and likes. I have a purpose on this app. It's just to make people laugh and love themselves, okay? So we be laughing on here, but don't let it lose track of Shay has a purpose. Your favorite Instagram, and you probably don't know why the fuck they do Instagram, but as long as y'all can love yourselves and walk in the room and own that bitch like you the baddest bitch, give a fuck what a hoe gotta say about you, male, female, gay, straight, bi, whatever the fuck you is, you better know you that bitch. If you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping. If bitches ain't talking shit about you, you're doing something wrong. You ought to piss a couple bitches off when you shitting on bitches. Duh. Look at this one right here. See? I got her mad. She bothered. The girl is in here watching me on my live, on my account. Ain't left yet. Ain't nobody holding her in here. And she stayed up in here to try to tell me to shut the fuck up. See, that's how I know I'm that bitch. Y'all do the complete opposite. When somebody tries to comment something negative in here, it does the complete opposite.